Oh my gosh, you guys, my Happy Planner fall release order has arrived and I have taken it out of the box because I just couldn't wait. So I cannot wait to share that with you guys. I'm sorry, my bad. Okay, where are my manners? Hey, my Tea Party squad, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Takoa and welcome to my Tea Party. I was super excited to show you guys what I got for my Happy Planner fall release from the website, and I also got some stuff from Joann's because some of the items that I wanted from the Happy Planner website was already sold out, so I was not quick enough to snag those items. So I did have to go to Joann's and pick up some. So grateful that my Joann's in my local area had some of the items, or the main items that I wanted, and your girl picked them up, and I got it on sale for 50% off. Yes. So let's jump right into it, shall we? So as you can see, all I got from the Happy Planner release are stickers and a little bit of accessories and washi tape. Yes. So that's pretty much all that I received. So I wanted to kind of show you the sticker books that I picked up. All right, you guys. So I picked up about 6 sticker books. And so I am going to do separate videos flipping through each of the sticker books so that you guys can get a close-up of each of the sticker pages. And I just felt like I can just show this to you guys, let you see what I picked up and what's to come. But I want to do a separate video because I didn't want this video to be long, because I'm really excited about kind of going through everything and seeing how they look and start using these items. So I am going to show you what I got in the Miss Maker collection. So first up, I did pick up some washi tape. I did get the Miss Maker washi tape. I was super excited. Now, as you know, I do have a large collection of washi tape, and so I just had to add this one because I just love Miss Maker. So I did get this one. It comes with about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 7 washi tapes in here in this tube. I also picked this up. This one I actually picked up from the Happy Planner website that also came with my fall release. This was the only item from the Miss Maker collection that I was able to purchase on the Happy Planner website because this whole collection was going fast. So I snagged this one up before it sold out. But these are bookmarks, and I'll take it out and let you see. Even though it has a little cute picture, I just want to give you a close-up of what it looks like. All right. Ooh, these are really cute. So I like this one. This one says feeling crafty, and I just love the little disc on there. That is so cute. So cute. And then I did get this one, or this one comes with it. It has all of the little crafting supplies on there. I'm loving the camera, the hot glue gun. Oh, look at the disc on there. Oh, look at that. They have the Happy Planner punch. Yes, give me all the crafting stuff. Super cute. So I cannot wait to add this into my planner. I'm not for sure what planner I'm going to put it in, but you can always use a bookmark in your planners, right? All right, so next up, I did get some dashboards as well. I don't think I got any, sorry about the sound, sorry. I didn't get any Miss Maker planners because I did get quite a few in my squad box. So I'm going to try to see if I can find one that matches or goes well with this, with these dashboards and the bookmarks. But you get a smaller or a half one here. And this has like little sewing stitching on it, different stitching on there. Super cute. But it'd be great to use also as like a bookmark too, because it has a little tab at the top. Then you get this one that says creativity is messy and I am very creative. I like that. And then you get some more of like all the crafting tools. You get a little planner, you get your camera. These are so cute. Oh, do y'all see the sticker book? Oh, that's cute. All right, and then we get this white one, or like a frosted white one with like scissors on there, like different designs. I'm loving that. It's so cute to get like a little vintage one. How cute is that? So, yeah, so that one was the dashboards. All right. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the washi tape, right? Let me give you a close-up. I'm sorry. I was just trying to get to the sticker books. All right, so we get 7 washi tapes, and I'm just going to see if I can give you a close-up of what they look like. So this one says craftiness is happiness. Let me see if I can pull it out a little bit. There we go. Oh, that's cute. And you get like little buttons on there. Cute little buttons. All right. Then we have this one right here. And, oh, there we go. I couldn't find the start of it. Oh, that'd be really cute. Okay. And that has like little gold foiling on there. And then this one here just has like the little designs of the scissors, almost like that dashboard I just showed you guys. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Sorry about that. Come on, let's focus. There we go. That's really cute. And then, oh, I see one that's really cute. So this one is almost like little stitching as well, like sewing stitches. And so they Happy Planner also has like a sewing planner. I think that'll be great too to use with this washi tape. Super cute. Gold foil on that. Ooh, this, oh, y'all, this one looks so cute. All right. Hurry up, ToCo. I'm coming. Okay. This one is all black with gold foil on there, and look at this beautiful washi tape. I'm gonna tell y'all, we really could use just this washi tape and use some black and gold foil boxes. How cute would this be? I think I'm gonna do that for one of my spreads. What y'all think? Should I do it? Look at, do y'all see the planner? Oh, look at the disc. Oh my gosh. Yes, I think I'm gonna do a spread. I'm gonna have to write that down in my video ideas list. That'll be, I wanna see how, yeah, I think that's gonna look cute. If it doesn't, you guys, then y'all may not see the video, but I probably would still put it up on my Instagram. I think that'll be so cute because it's already like decorative and everything. Okay. I'm sorry, I talked a little bit too long about that one. And then this one is like little disc, colorful disc on there. Super cute. And then last but not least, this one right here. Let's see if I can find the opening. There we go. So again, oh, this is almost like a smaller one. Like that black and gold one, but you get it in like black and white. How cute is this? I wonder if you can color on it. I think I'm gonna have to test it out. But you get all of your crafting tools and supplies on there. Super cute. All right, so that was the washi. Sorry I took too long on the washi. All right, moving right along to the sticker books. So I didn't get these on the Happy Planner website. I actually had to pick this up on the Joann's website. And good thing when I decided to get it, it was available at my local Joann's. I was really excited because my Joann's rarely have all the new things out, and I just knew that I wasn't going to find it. So it was really pleasing and exciting to know that my Joann's had them out because I have went twice and they were not out yet. And so over the weekend they released them and had them stocked and up on their website. So I picked them up. I was able to take advantage of the 50% off sale that they had. And because I ordered it online, I also got 20% off of my entire purchase. So both of these sticker books was about $7.50 each. So you know I had to get both of them because I was like, I only need one. I don't need the other because they're going to have some of the similar items in there. True, but for $7 for each book, I couldn't pass it up. So I got both of them. So this one is the Value Pack sticker book from the Happy Planner. This one comes with 640 pieces. It is a 30-page sticker book. I'm just going to give you a teaser, but I am going to be flipping through this page by page, giving you a close-up of what to expect in the inside. But I love this. I'm a crafter and a planner babe, and so this is speaking to my crafting loving heart. So you know I had to kind of get this collection. So I'm really excited to go ahead and flip through this sticker book because this is a new size for the Happy Planner. And this is my first time seeing this up close and I love it. I thought it was going to be bigger, but I love the size. So if you are not familiar with the Happy Planner or any of the sticker books, I do want to do a size comparison to let you see what the difference is. So this is the Value Pack sticker book, the standard sticker book from the Happy Planner. And this one is the new one. This is called the Big Sticker Book. And so I want to do a size comparison so you guys can see the difference. So here is the size difference. As you can see, the this sticker book kind of stops here, and then you have more of the bigger sticker book sticking out. So that's a size comparison there. And then you have a little hangage here. Let me make sure I line it up. And so you have just a little bit kind of sticking off from this one. So yeah. So that's one of the difference. The other difference in this sticker book from this sticker book is going to come with 30 sheets of stickers, and this one is going to come with 15. So about half the sheets of stickers in the value pack sticker book. And yeah, so I'm loving this one. It's going to come with big stickers as well. I don't think they're the same size as the Mambi sticks, but they are fairly big. So look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely going to be flipping through this and giving you a close-up as well. So moving right along to sticker books, I want to also show you guys what I picked up. And oh, these two don't belong in there. I'm sorry. So I picked up 3 more value pack sticker books, and then I also got another big sticker book, and I'll show you what that sticker book is. So the first one that I picked up was this family sticker book. It just reminds me of like family game nights. It's just really cute. And I think this would be really cute for our family as well, to just kind of plan some things. So, ooh, was that a purse? I'm gonna have to do it. Yes. I'm sorry. That's a teaser, isn't it? So I definitely have to go back and do a slower flip through of that. Next up, I got this mixed media mom sticker book. Because hello, hashtag mom vibes. Definitely gonna need this. I just love this because it got like that cute watercolor in there, and it just has all the mom things in here. Habit trackers, you have appointments, just like quotes in here. So you have a mixture of paperback stickers and clear stickers. You have shopping list stickers in here, note to self, chore stickers, half boxes, colorful boxes, washi tape strips. I'm all here for this. So I got that one. I also picked up the Let Love Grow sticker book. I thought I was going to get this in my squad box because they know I love florals. They know that. But I didn't get it, so I did pick it up on the website. And y'all know I love florals. So, yeah. And then next up, I got this Seasons of Color big sticker book. Again, this is going to be also a 15-page sticker book. And this one comes with 87 stickers. And these are big stickers. Do y'all see the florals? Okay. All right. So those were my items that I picked up from the fall haul from the Happy Planner website, and also my Miss Maker items that I picked up from the Joann's website as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you what I picked up from my fall release. So stay tuned because I am going to have flip throughs of each of these stickers on my channel as well. If you want to get to know one of these sticker books a little bit better and see a page by page flip through, make sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.